Yes.
Where are you going?
Good morning.
Hey, good morning. How are you?
I'm okay. I'm going to cultivate.
Going to what?
To cultivate.
Where? Ellen, I didn't tell you where. You're going to do what?
On the same land we've been cultivating on with my late husband here. It's not a problem.
Ellen, listen to me very carefully. That was before. Are you getting me?
Rema, don't do this again.
Don't talk. And that's your problem. Whenever I'm talking, you want to talk back.
Rema, don't you have an authority over that land again?
Yes, that is it. That's what I'm talking about. Ellen, you have no right over that land now.
Why do you keep doing this all the time?
Ellen, first wait, before you even start. Ellen. Ellen, how many children do you have with my left brother?
At least I have a child here, Rema.
A child? And you think now you own the land, eh? You have no right over that land.
Rema, I'm married here.
You're married, so what? So what? You have no right over that land. And let me tell you one thing now. Actually, I'm giving you only 5 minutes. That's no longer your land. You have no right over it. One child now, you think you own the land.
This is so much.
I should not find you here. 5 minutes, that's a beach.
Ben.
Pack and leave. Pack your things and leave this home. Just pack your things and leave. You're crying, you think it's the first time I've seen people crying.
Ben, someone help me. I've been getting married in this land, Ben. This is too much. Where will I take my child from here? I'm sorry, but this is not fair. God will punish you.
Ellen, what is happening?
Kilama, I'm dead.
Please talk to me, my sister.
Kilama, I'm being denied my own right of owning property in this home. Kilama, this is my home as well, you know it, Kilama. Kilama, I have a child here. Kilama, I'm being married here, you know it, Kilama. Why have these people treated me like this?
No wonder my instinct was telling me that I should come and check on you, my sister. What a coincidence like this. So this is how they are treating you. These people think you don't have relatives. No, my sister.
Oh, I'm tired. I don't know where to go from here.
No,
I don't know.
You come with me. Let's handle this. So people are wicked. People are so wicked like this.
This is my life.
No, don't worry. Don't worry.
Where do I go from here? Where do I go?
Don't worry, my sister.
Delaying. Need to sell off this piece of land before Monday. Mary Center, I need money.
Hello, Oriama. Chia, where are you? I'm just right behind you.
My airtime.
How are you?
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm okay.
Long time.
Long time too.
How is everything?
I am very okay. The vicinity is very okay.
That's very good.
Yeah.
So, about the other issue I told you.
The land.
Yes.
I'm going to
I want to sell it off because since you know when my brother, my big bro,
the late Ben.
the late Ben,
Okay.
automatically I became the
owner.
Exactly.
The
The
land.
legal person being the owner because he was the first born.
Okay.
And then now I am now. Yeah, I'm now the only one.
The only
so
one. The
I'm on
other
top somewhere
son.
so I can make decisions.
Okay.
And I want just to see. You told me about the other people.
No, the buyer is a loaded dude is coming from Kampala.
Okay.
How many acres are we talking about?
Now you
Yes.
come and show you this land.
Okay.
Because you need to see it from here. First come this side. Now do you see the other mango?
The
The other
mango
side,
tree.
the other side down.
At the extreme end.
At the extreme from here. And to the other side, then it stretches from there up to the other valley. The other valley down there.
Okay.
Then can you come? I think from here you can see. From here. You see after the other valley, that one. Up to this side. Very good. It's about the one.
What about the remaining extra? Is it bonus for the buyer?
No, since the other side is swamp.
Okay.
We know we don't want to I don't want to have issues with the
with the number.
Yes.
Okay.
So that side I don't want to ask to encroach. Just want to sell only this part. And then around 45 acres.
45 acres.
Yeah. 45 acres. And let me tell you one thing about this land you don't know. This land we used to supply Gulu City with the sugar cane.
The whole of Gulu City?
Yes.
I think this land must be very fertile.
It's a fertile land.
Okay.
Not only with sugar cane, but a lot of things. You can use it for farming. If you want to stay also, you can. So it's a very good land. But I need money actually. And the buyer is very serious.
How much is an acre?
An acre? I want 1 million. 1 million. 1 million. Hey, Chair.
1 million?
You already come with a stamp.
I'm ready. Ever ready.
You are my man.
Ever ready.
You are my man.
Oriema.
You are my man.
Oriema, you see, the old chairman of the whole area, I'm the eye of the president here. I cannot have a small phone. So
you will buy a smart
my
phone.
My share.
Yes.
How
No,
much-
I don't know how much.
My share, my percent.
Me, I want
One
moja
million.
moja.
So we can do 1.5. The 5 is
As long as me, I'm getting my what?
1 million.
Yes.
Very
And then the rest will take care of itself.
But I hope it's not a customary land.
Well, whatever. Still,
You have the right.
What are you talking about here?
I know the buyer is going to be here in a time from now.
Please, let's do it chap so that I don't want to delay. I need money. I need money. I really need money. And everything. I am the witness. I am the what? I am the witness. I am the seller.
And I'm the chairman.
Everything. You are the chairman.
In a time from now, the dude is going to be
Yes.
here. And he has money. You know, people from Kampala, when they come, they just count dollars.
It's okay. So just run.
I know it's going to be here. My share.
Mr. Chairman,
Oh, yes.
my sister's vehicle was disturbing us on the way, but finally we are here.
Better late than never. You're just on time.
Where is the seller?
In fact, the seller was actually showing the boundary. No, this land is fertile.
You see, me, I don't want my sister to buy land with issues.
It has no issue.
We are going to buy the land at once. There's nothing like installment.
Very
we
good.
shall pay you. My sister have the money.
I like that part. You're going to pay fully. Not in installment.
No installment.
Yes. Oriema, the buyer is already here.
Yeah.
Yes.
So let's talk and then how we can first.
Oriema,
Chair first come. You first come. Can I see you?
Just a moment. Just a moment.
Chair,
Chairman,
Just
I would
a moment.
like to understand.
Yes.
Is
Chairman.
everything okay?
Everything is okay.
What I heard is issues.
There are no issues here.
Chairman, you first come.
Chair, yes, I am not selling.
You are not selling. Let us come to terms with your statement. You are not selling. Are you mad?
No. I figured out I can get that money from somewhere. I'm going to sell, I have a Bajaj, so I think if I sell the Bajaj, I'm no longer selling.
Oriema, we have wasted time. We have called these people from Kampala. I have not taken my share, and you are not selling the land. Why?
Okay, because
Why have you changed your mind so suddenly?
No, you see, when I was making some phone calls here, then I realized I can get some money from somewhere, so I don't need to disturb you. I'm sorry, we shall still do more.
Are you going to refund me?
My chair.
Yes.
May I know why it's not selling?
No, Ellen.
Are you sure?
There's something you are hiding. How can I don't know and you know?
Let me now tell you. May I know why Oriema is not selling the land?
Sure.
You see, I'm calling him by his name because
Chairman, I
I know.
hope you are not pretending. Do you know anything? Because as a leader in this area,
You see, my area of jurisdiction is very wide.
Me,
I
I
can
know.
move from household to household.
Why
Unless you come with
Oriema?
your problems to me.
Oriema is not selling because of this. You see this land in question. This is my land. And this Oriema here, Oriema decided to chase me out of this land 2 years ago because of his greed. I have a child in this family. I was married here, he even knows about it. But he decided to chase me away simply because I lost my husband and there was no one to fight for me at that time. God helped me. By God's grace, I took refuge at my brother's place, Kilama. Kilama took me in. I started from scratch. And finally, I am here again.
Why are people wicked like this?
I am buying this land. Or I'm going to buy this land from you. I want to buy this land from you because I want to show you that this world rotates. In fact, I want this land.
Helen, it's very unfortunate. I didn't know you were going through all this. But first of all, I want to say thank you for being a strong woman.
Chair, Oriema mistreated me here, Chair.
Thank you for being courageous. Oriema. Oriema. That was so cruel of you. How can you chase away the wife to your late brother from the land? The fact that she was married to the late Ben means she has the rights to own this land and all the property. Because the child that they had with your late brother is a strong bond. And according to the Acholi culture, Oriema, that is cultural abomination. Because you are supposed to help your late brother's wife to pick up. You're supposed to support her mutually. By default, that son becomes yours. The late Ben has gone. You're supposed to be now the strongest bond in the family to unite the child, the wife, and the other family members. What you did was very bad. And besides, customary land is not supposed to be sold by your consent. It's supposed to be done by the clan agreement. If the clan says no sale of customary land, you don't have any right, not even an authority. You really did bad. You really need to apologize. But besides, really, Oriema, if I had known as a leader, I would not allow such a thing to happen. And now this is going to be a lift. I am going to begin moving within my society to sensitize people about the issue of land ownership. In regards to widows and orphans, these people are entitled to own this land and cultivate if they want to cultivate. Much as Ben has gone, she has the right to cultivate. She has the right to own the land. And you don't have any right, not even a small right like this, to sell any piece of land. That was very bad of you. Even biblically, the Bible says, do not disturb the widows and the children who are orphans. Because if you do and they cry out to me, I will punish you. Oriema. By the virtue of the power that I have with the clan leaders around, Ellen is going to come back to her land. And Oriema, you must apologize to Ellen. Oriema, apologize to Ellen. Before the clan heads, apologize to Ellen.
Ellen, I am really very sorry. Please find a space in your heart to forgive me.
My chair.
Yes?
Oriema. May I forgive you a long time.
Thank you. We are LUO Drama Actors.